The Chapter Kyoto is located just a short distance away from many major tourist sites in Kyoto. This hotel is part of Marriott's Tribute portfolio, and it's only about 12 minutes away from Kyoto Central Station by subway. If you go from the Central Station, it does require a transfer to get to a station that's close to the hotel, however. It is also near the Keihan line, which gives quick access to Fushimi Inari and other sites in Kyoto. The chapter is within short walking distance of the Imperial Palace and the Honnoji Temple, and it's an easy train ride or a 15 to 20-minute walk from the famed Gion Geisha district and the most bustling and touristy area of Kyoto. It's located near the river but on a pretty quiet street, and much of the traffic in the area seems to be locals and passing tour buses. It might be a good choice if you want to escape the chaos that can sometimes be the more touristy parts of Kyoto. Platinum Bonvoy members with Marriott get free breakfast at this hotel, and the hotel has both a laundry room on the second floor and washers and dryers in the public bath that's located inside the hotel. We stayed at this hotel in June of 2024, and while we were there, we decided to film a tour of the room so you know what you can expect if you decide to stay here. Okay, this is the Chapter Kyoto. We're in a Superior King room. We did not get an upgrade today, which is the first time actually that we haven't. We've been doing a 1-year sort of trial of Marriott Platinum to see if it's worth it, and normally we get an upgrade. On this one we didn't, but I think that's okay because shortly after we booked this room, actually this category completely sold out, so kind of didn't expect one here, but it's actually a really nice room and it's pretty cheap, relatively, especially for a Marriott. It's got a big closet here, some pajamas, and kind of your general amenities. I don't even know where the light is. We just barely got here, so I might have to do this in the dark, but yeah, pajamas, big kind of open area here. There's a TV, a couch, a table, which is awesome. Big king size bed, reading lights and stuff there, which is nice. This hotel's in a really good area. I think it's a really good area anyway. It's near the Imperial Palace, just a couple blocks from there. And there's a Hyatt property nearby that we considered staying at, but pretty happy with this one. We're staying 3 nights. I think it was just under $500 total US. And we're here in June. So bathroom here, there's like the sink area is separate and stuff. There's like some amenities here. Just the basic amenities, and then, as is pretty common in our hotels in Japan, there's a separate toilet area and a shower area. So all in all, it's a pretty nice room. This hotel does not have a lounge, but they do have kind of a happy hour in their restaurant where they have snacks and it says free flowing soft drinks, so that's pretty cool. We just got here today, so we haven't had a chance to check that out yet. But also there's a public bath that's open most of the day, actually till 1 in the morning, so we'll probably be using that later at night, I think. And then they've also got 2 laundry facilities, one that's in the public bath and one that's on the second floor. So we plan on doing laundry while we're here. They've also got an ice machine. It's not one per floor like we had in Osaka, but on the 5th floor, and that is actually pretty nice. Finding that outside the United States, it seems like they're more common in Japan, but still always happy to find an ice machine when we're traveling. So anyway, that is the Chapter Kyoto. It's a Tribute portfolio hotel by Marriott.